Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we delve into the exquisite sari fashion choices of the stunning Shraddha Das. The beauty known for her impeccable fashion sense never fails to mesmerize us with her elegant sari choices. From traditional to contemporary, she effortlessly carries each look with grace and charm. Whether it's the classic silk sari embellished with intricate designs, or the trendy fusion saris with modern twists, Shraddha Das knows how to make a statement with her fashion choices. From vibrant hues to subtle pastels, the actress experiments with a wide range of colors, perfectly complementing her radiant personality. Whether it's statement jewelry pieces or delicate embellishments, the beauty knows how to accessorize her saris to perfection, adding an extra touch of glamour to her ensemble. Her sari game is not just about the garments, it's a journey through different cultures, traditions, and eras. She effortlessly blends tradition with modernity, creating unique and captivating looks. In traditional silk saris, Shraddha Das channels timeless elegance. Whether it's a rich Kanjivaram or a regal Banarasi, she embodies grace and sophistication, paying homage to India's rich textile heritage. She embraces contemporary fusion saris, mixing fabrics, prints, and cuts to create cutting-edge looks that redefine sari fashion. What truly sets Shraddha apart is her attention to detail. From delicate embroidery to intricate motifs, she chooses saris that are not only visually stunning but also tell a story. Shraddha Das isn't confined to one particular style. She explores various draping techniques, from the classic navy drape to the contemporary dhoti sari, adding versatility to her sari repertoire. Accessories play a crucial role in completing her sari ensembles. Whether it's statement jewelry pieces, chic handbags, or stylish footwear, she knows how to elevate her look with the perfect accessories. It's her confidence and charisma that truly make her sari fashion choices shine. With every outfit she wears, she exudes a sense of empowerment and self-assurance, inspiring millions with her impeccable style. From the luxurious drapes of silk to the breezy elegance of chiffon, the actress explores the diverse palette of sari fabrics with finesse and flair. Each fabric brings its own charm, allowing her to express different moods and personalities through her attire. Shraddha Das infuses creativity into her blouse designs, from intricate embroidery to bold cuts and plunging necklines. Her blouse choices add an element of contemporary edge to her traditional sari ensembles. Accessories are the icing on the cake of her sari fashion. Whether it's a statement necklace that accentuates her neckline or a pair of statement earrings that frame her face, she knows how to strike the perfect balance between elegance and extravagance. The actress effortlessly transitions her sari fashion from everyday elegance to red carpet glamour. With the right choice of sari, accessories, and makeup, she commands attention and steals the spotlight wherever she goes. The beauty embraces regional and cultural sari styles with reverence and respect. From the vibrant hues of a Bengali tan sari to the understated elegance of a Kerala Kasavu sari, she celebrates the diversity of Indian heritage through her wardrobe choices. Her sari fashion truly commendable is her commitment to sustainability. She promotes eco-friendly fashion by supporting local artisans and opting for sustainable fabrics, proving that style and sustainability can go hand in hand. Shraddha Das, with her impeccable taste, effortlessly transcends boundaries between traditional and contemporary sari fashion. Her wardrobe is a treasure trove of inspiration, showcasing a harmonious blend of timeless classics and avant-garde trends. Whether it's the classic pleats of the navy drape or the unconventional twists of the butterfly style, she adorns each sari with an unparalleled elegance that leaves onlookers in awe. She meticulously selects jewelry pieces that complement her attire, be it intricate jhumkas for a touch of tradition or sleek metallic cuffs for a contemporary edge. From the glossy pages of fashion magazines to the glitzy world of red carpets, the actress captivates hearts with her ethereal presence in saris. Each appearance is a testament to her impeccable style and innate grace. Shraddha Das isn't afraid to play with colors and patterns, infusing her sari wardrobe with vibrant hues and eclectic prints. Whether it's bold geometric motifs or delicate floral patterns, she effortlessly pulls off every look with panache. The actress leads by example, advocating for eco-friendly fashion through her sari ensembles. She supports local artisans and ethical fashion brands, making a conscious effort to reduce her environmental footprint. From the timeless allure of classic weaves to the avant-garde flair of contemporary drapes, her wardrobe is a testament to her impeccable taste. Whether it's the luxurious sheen of silk, the delicate flow of chiffon, or the regal allure of velvet, each fabric is chosen with precision to accentuate her elegance. Accessories serve as the perfect punctuation to her sari looks. Whether she opts for statement necklaces, ornate waist belts, or elegant handbags, each accessory is carefully curated to elevate her ensemble to new heights of sophistication. The actress consistently steals the spotlight with her impeccable sari choices. Her presence exudes confidence and poise, making her a true icon of grace and glamour. Shraddha Das isn't afraid to push the boundaries of sari fashion, experimenting with innovative draping styles and unconventional silhouettes. Whether it's the modern twist of a pant-style sari or the edgy appeal of a pre-stitched drape, she effortlessly embraces new trends while staying true to her signature style. The beauty leads by example, championing sustainable fashion through her sari ensembles. She promotes eco-friendly practices by supporting local artisans, opting for organic fabrics, and advocating for fair trade practices. Shraddha Das, with her innate fashion flair, seamlessly blends traditional charm with contemporary allure in her sari selections. From the timeless grace of classic weaves to the daring appeal of modern cuts, her sari wardrobe is a testament to her sartorial prowess. Her fearless approach to colors and motifs. Whether it's the vibrant hues of summer or the rich tones of autumn, she isn't afraid to make a statement with her sari choices. Her selection of intricate motifs adds depth and personality to each ensemble, reflecting her eclectic taste. Accessories play a pivotal role in elevating her sari looks from stylish to sensational. Whether it's bold statement jewelry or delicate embellishments, she knows how to strike the perfect balance, adding just the right amount of sparkle to her ensemble. From the glitz and glamour of the red carpet to the sophistication of fashion galas, the actress commands attention with her impeccable sari choices. Her confident demeanor and effortless grace make her a vision of elegance and sophistication. The beauty leads by example, promoting eco-friendly fashion through her sari ensembles. By supporting ethical brands and opting for sustainable fabrics, she proves that fashion can be both stylish and environmentally conscious. Her sari fashion choices, it becomes evident that her style is not merely about garments. It's a narrative of self-expression and empowerment. With each ensemble, the actress effortlessly encapsulates the essence of femininity and strength, blending traditional elegance with contemporary flair. Her sari selections transcend mere fashion trends, serving as a canvas for her artistic vision and individuality. From the intricate craftsmanship of traditional weaves to the bold experimentation with modern silhouettes, Shraddha Das navigates the vast landscape of sari fashion with unparalleled confidence and grace. Accessories serve as the perfect punctuation to her ensembles, adding layers of depth and personality. Whether it's a statement necklace adorning her neckline or a sleek clutch completing her look, each accessory is carefully curated to enhance the overall aesthetic. Her advocacy for sustainability in fashion further elevates her style ethos. By championing eco-friendly practices and supporting ethical brands, she not only inspires admiration but also sets a precedent for conscious consumerism in the fashion industry. Her sari fashion choices represent more than just aesthetics, they embody a celebration of culture, craftsmanship, and conscious living. Shraddha Das's sari fashion choices unveils a narrative of timeless elegance intertwined with modern sophistication. With each meticulously curated ensemble, the actress epitomizes the essence of grace and style, seamlessly blending tradition with contemporary trends. Her sari selections serve as a canvas for artistic expression, where every intricate detail tells a story of cultural heritage and personal flair. From opulent silk drapes to ethereal chiffon cascades, she effortlessly navigates through a spectrum of fabrics, textures, and hues, showcasing a profound understanding of fashion's myriad nuances. Whether she opts for the classic navy drape or experiments with avant-garde styles, each fold is a testament to her creativity and versatility. Accessories play a pivotal role in accentuating her sari ensembles, with carefully chosen adornments adding a touch of glamour and refinement. Be it intricately crafted jewelry pieces or statement handbags, her accessorizing prowess elevates her looks to unparalleled heights of sophistication. Shraddha Das's advocacy for sustainability adds depth to her fashion persona, highlighting her commitment to ethical fashion practices. By championing eco-friendly initiatives and supporting artisanal craftsmanship, she not only exemplifies style but also embodies conscientiousness and social responsibility. Her sari fashion choices transcend mere attire, they embody a celebration of culture, individuality, and empowerment. With every ensemble she wears, Shraddha leaves an indelible mark, inspiring admirers to embrace their unique sense of style and embrace the rich tapestry of fashion's endless possibilities. The enchanting world of Shraddha Das's sari fashion choices reveals a tapestry woven with elegance, innovation, and cultural richness. With each sartorial selection, the actress masterfully blends tradition with contemporary trends, crafting looks that are as timeless as their trendsetting. Her sari ensembles serve as a reflection of her multifaceted personality, effortlessly transitioning from classic sophistication to avant-garde experimentation. What truly sets Shraddha Das apart is her ability to breathe new life into traditional attire, infusing it with a modern twist that captivates the imagination. From intricate hand-woven silk saris adorned with intricate motifs to contemporary fusion ensembles featuring unexpected fabric combinations, she continually pushes the boundaries of sari fashion with creativity and panache. But her fashion journey extends beyond the fabric. It's a story of meticulous attention to detail and impeccable styling. Each ensemble is meticulously accessorized, with every piece carefully chosen to complement and enhance the overall look. Whether it's a statement necklace that adds a touch of glamour or a pair of elegant earrings that frame her face, her accessories are a testament to her impeccable taste and eye for design. Shraddha's commitment to sustainability in fashion sets her apart as a conscientious trendsetter. By advocating for eco-friendly practices and supporting ethical fashion brands, she not only looks good but also does good, inspiring her audience to embrace a more sustainable approach to style. Her sari fashion choices are more than just outfits, they are expressions of self-confidence, creativity, and cultural pride. Through her impeccable sense of style, she continues to redefine the boundaries of Indian fashion, leaving a lasting impression on the industry and inspiring countless admirers around the world. Each ensemble curated by Shraddha Das is a testament to her impeccable taste and innate understanding of fashion's ever-evolving landscape. With every drape of fabric and every carefully chosen accessory, she effortlessly weaves together elements of tradition and modernity to create looks that are both timeless and cutting-edge. Her sari repertoire is a rich tapestry of diversity, encompassing a wide range of styles, fabrics, and draping techniques. Whether she's donning a resplendent silk sari adorned with intricate embroidery or opting for a contemporary fusion ensemble featuring bold patterns and unconventional silhouettes, her fashion choices exude confidence and sophistication. The actress apart is her ability to infuse each sari ensemble with her unique sense of style and personality. From the way she effortlessly carries herself to the meticulous attention to detail in her styling, every aspect of her look speaks volumes about her fashion sensibility and innate elegance. Her advocacy for sustainability in fashion adds another layer of depth to her style ethos. By promoting eco-friendly practices and supporting ethical fashion brands, she not only showcases her commitment to responsible consumerism but also inspires others to make conscious choices in their wardrobe selections. Her sari fashion choices are a celebration of individuality, creativity, and cultural heritage. With her innate sense of style and unwavering confidence, she continues to captivate audiences and redefine the standards of beauty and fashion in the industry. Her sari fashion choices unveils a captivating narrative brimming with intricacy and refinement. Each ensemble meticulously curated by Shraddha Das serves as a testament to her discerning eye for style and her profound appreciation for the rich tapestry of Indian heritage. The actress effortlessly navigates the vast landscape of sari fashion, seamlessly blending tradition with innovation. Whether she opts for the timeless allure of a hand-woven silk sari or the contemporary edge of a digitally printed georgette drape, her selections are a harmonious fusion of classic elegance and modern sophistication. Shraddha Das's sari fashion apart is her impeccable attention to detail. From the intricate embellishments adorning her saris to the subtle nuances in her accessorizing, every aspect of her ensemble is carefully considered and impeccably executed. Whether she chooses to adorn herself with traditional gold jewelry or opts for sleek, minimalist accents, her styling choices reflect a keen understanding of balance and harmony. Her advocacy for sustainable fashion adds an additional layer of depth to her sartorial narrative. By championing eco-friendly practices and supporting ethical fashion initiatives, she not only elevates her own style but also uses her platform to promote responsible consumption and environmental stewardship. Shraddha Das's sari fashion choices are a testament to her unwavering commitment to excellence and her steadfast dedication to preserving and celebrating the cultural heritage of India. With each ensemble, she not only showcases her impeccable taste and flair for fashion but also leaves an indelible mark on the ever-evolving landscape of Indian couture. Her sari fashion choices unveils a rich tapestry woven with meticulous attention to detail and boundless creativity. Each ensemble curated by Shraddha Das is a testament to her innate sense of style and her ability to seamlessly blend tradition with contemporary trends. In exploring the myriad facets of sari fashion, the beauty showcases a remarkable versatility, effortlessly transitioning from timeless classics to avant-garde innovations. Whether she opts for the regal opulence of a Kanjivaram silk sari or the whimsical charm of a modern geometric print, her selections exude sophistication and charm. Shraddha Das apart is her keen eye for craftsmanship and design. From the intricate handiwork of traditional weaves to the innovative draping techniques of contemporary designers, she consistently pushes the boundaries of sari fashion, infusing each ensemble with a sense of elegance and allure. Her styling choices are a testament to her impeccable taste and attention to detail. From the selection of accessories to the coordination of colors and textures, every element of her ensemble is carefully considered to create a cohesive and impactful look. Her advocacy for sustainability in fashion adds depth and significance to her fashion narrative. By championing eco-friendly practices and supporting ethical fashion brands, she not only sets a positive example for her audience but also uses her platform to promote awareness and change within the industry. Her sari fashion choices are a celebration of individuality, creativity, and cultural heritage. With each ensemble, she leaves an indelible mark on the world of fashion, inspiring admirers to embrace their unique style and celebrate the timeless allure of the sari. One of the most striking aspects of Shraddha Das's sari fashion is her ability to seamlessly blend traditional craftsmanship with contemporary aesthetics. Whether she chooses a hand-woven silk sari adorned with intricate zari work or a modern, minimalist drape with geometric patterns, each outfit reflects a harmonious fusion of heritage and innovation. Her mastery of sari draping techniques adds another layer of allure to her fashion repertoire. From the classic pleats of the navy drape to the unconventional twists and turns of experimental styles, she demonstrates an unparalleled versatility in her approach to sari styling, effortlessly adapting her look to suit any occasion. Accessories play a pivotal role in her sari ensembles, serving as the perfect finishing touch to her impeccable outfits. Whether she opts for statement jewelry pieces to accentuate her neckline or understated accessories to complement her attire, each choice reflects her impeccable taste and attention to detail. Her commitment to sustainability in fashion sets her apart as a conscientious trendsetter. By supporting eco-friendly practices and advocating for ethical fashion brands, she not only looks stunning but also promotes positive change within the industry. Shraddha Das's sari fashion choices are a testament to her unique blend of elegance, innovation, and social responsibility. With each ensemble, she continues to captivate audiences and redefine the boundaries of sari fashion, inspiring admirers to embrace their individuality and celebrate the timeless allure of this iconic garment. At the heart of Shraddha Das's sari fashion lies a celebration of craftsmanship and heritage. From the intricate handloom weaves of traditional silk saris to the contemporary interpretations of age-old motifs, each ensemble reflects a deep appreciation for India's rich textile legacy. Her sartorial choices serve as a canvas for artistic expression, with every outfit carefully curated to convey a distinct mood or aesthetic. The actress apart is her innate sense of style and her fearless approach to experimentation. Whether she opts for bold colors and patterns or opts for understated elegance, each ensemble is a testament to her versatility and creativity. Her mastery of sari draping techniques adds an extra dimension to her fashion repertoire, allowing her to effortlessly transform a simple drape into a work of art. Accessories play a pivotal role in her sari ensembles, serving as the perfect complement to her exquisite outfits. From statement jewelry pieces that add a touch of glamour to delicate embellishments that highlight her natural beauty, each accessory is thoughtfully chosen to enhance the overall look and feel of her ensemble. Her commitment to sustainability in fashion underscores her status as a responsible fashion icon. By supporting eco-friendly practices and advocating for ethical fashion brands, she not only sets a positive example for her fans but also uses her platform to drive meaningful change within the industry. Her sari fashion choices are a testament to her impeccable taste, creativity, and social consciousness. With each ensemble, she continues to captivate audiences and inspire admiration, leaving an indelible mark on the world of fashion. One of the most striking aspects of Shraddha Das's sari fashion is her ability to seamlessly blend traditional craftsmanship with contemporary aesthetics. Whether she opts for a classic hand-woven silk sari adorned with intricate motifs or a modern, avant-garde drape with innovative cuts and patterns, each outfit exudes sophistication and charm. Her keen eye for color and texture adds depth and dimension to her sari ensembles. From vibrant hues that capture the essence of Indian culture to subtle tones that evoke a sense of understated elegance, she demonstrates a remarkable versatility in her choice of colors and fabrics. What sets Shraddha Das apart is her attention to detail and commitment to perfection. Every aspect of her ensemble, from the selection of accessories to the way she drapes her sari, is meticulously planned and executed to create a cohesive and visually stunning look. Accessories play a crucial role in enhancing her sari ensembles, serving as the perfect finishing touch to her exquisite outfits. Whether she opts for bold statement jewelry to make a statement or delicate accents to add a touch of femininity, each accessory is carefully chosen to complement her sari and enhance her overall look. Her advocacy for sustainability in fashion is a testament to her commitment to ethical and responsible fashion practices. By supporting eco-friendly brands and promoting sustainable initiatives, she not only showcases her passion for environmental conservation but also inspires her fans to make conscious choices in their own fashion journey. Shraddha Das's sari fashion choices are a celebration of beauty, creativity, and cultural heritage. With each ensemble, she continues to captivate audiences and redefine the standards of sari fashion, leaving an indelible mark on the industry and inspiring admiration from fans around the world. The defining features of Shraddha Das's sari fashion is her ability to effortlessly navigate the spectrum of styles, fabrics, and draping techniques. Whether she opts for the regal splendor of a traditional Kanjivaram sari or the contemporary allure of a chic pre-stitched drape, each outfit is a testament to her versatility and creativity. Her keen attention to detail elevates her sari ensembles to new heights of sophistication. From the intricate embellishments adorning her saris to the carefully curated accessories that complete her look, every element is thoughtfully chosen to enhance the overall aesthetic and create a lasting impression. The actress apart is her fearless approach to fashion, evidenced by her willingness to experiment with bold colors, unconventional silhouettes, and avant-garde styling techniques. Whether she's making a statement on the red carpet or attending a casual gathering, she exudes confidence and poise in every sari she wears. Her sari ensembles, adding a touch of glamour and personality to each look. Whether she opts for classic gold jewelry to complement her traditional saris or modern, edgy pieces to offset her contemporary ensembles, her accessories always strike the perfect balance between elegance and individuality. Shraddha Das's commitment to sustainability in fashion sets her apart as a conscientious trendsetter. By championing eco-friendly practices and supporting ethical fashion brands, she not only looks good but also uses her platform to promote positive change within the industry. Her sari fashion choices are a celebration of creativity, confidence, and cultural heritage. With each ensemble, she continues to captivate audiences and inspire admiration, proving that the sari is truly a timeless symbol of grace and elegance. So there you have it, Shraddha Das proves that when it comes to sari fashion, the possibilities are endless. Which of her sari looks is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.